welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Okay, so this video is long overdue. This here Raquel Welch style has been launched for a few months, and it is one of my favorite styles. I have worn the heck out of this wig. I love this. I love this here wig. If you guys follow my Instagram, you know that I have worn it so much. It needs to be washed, so it's kind of a little bit like stiff because it's been worn. It's been worn a lot and it needs to be washed. But I think I just repeated myself like 3 times, so bear with me. I love it. It needs to be washed. Now that we have that out of the way, let's move on. This is Wavy Day. It's my favorite Raquel Welch wig that has recently come out, and it is in the color Shaded Iced Cappuccino. I love Shaded Cappuccino. I love that color, and this is my first time trying the iced cappuccino, Shaded Iced Cappuccino, and I equally love this shade. So let's talk about Shaded Iced Cappuccino, and then we'll move on to Wavy Day. So you have this beautiful blend of colors. You have this dark root. It's so beautiful. I would say this is like a medium brunette. And then you have a light brown with medium blonde highlights. It is so pretty. It's so pretty, guys. It's so gorgeous. If you have like, I don't know, I have kind of like a dirty blonde bio hair color. It's no longer there because I buzzed it off. But I just feel like this is my color, you know. It just is kind of right in the middle, gives me that blonde, but I still have kind of that light brown, and it's just so pretty. It's so pretty with that root. It's on trend. It's just a very gorgeous, lovely shade. So I love Wavy Day because it's a lob. It's a long bob. You still have that bob feel, but it's longer. So I like that, and it sits like on your shoulders, kind of like, I don't know, for some people it could be like right below their shoulders. And you have these very loose waves. Mine have relaxed just a little bit because I've worn it so much and it needs to be washed. Let's say that again. But yeah, it has these just beautiful waves, hence the Wavy Day. And I don't know, it's just awesome. I love this style. You have an impeccable lace front, and you have a monofilament top. So you can part it every which way, you can pull it back, you can do whatever you'd like to do style-wise with that multi-directional parting ability. I love that about this style. You have the hair you wear, Raquel Welch, true to life synthetic fiber. So this is heat friendly. You can add more curl to it, you can smooth it out, you can use your heat tools at a low setting and, you know, go ahead and, you know, change up the curl pattern and do what you want to do to just basically wear the hair as if it's your own. With this style, it's really nice because you have an extended lace front. So, you know, it's a lot longer on either side. It goes way further from, you know, from temple to temple. To give you a closer look at that lace front, let me show you again. You have the lighter color, that blonde, up at that front hairline. That makes it so that that lace front is more invisible because the lighter the hair color, the lighter the knots. That's just kind of the name of the game with you know, the lace. Typically the darker the color, the darker the knots can be. So I do like that. And then obviously, you know, it's kind of trendy to have a lighter color up at the front. Some people call it like the money piece. I don't mind it. I think it looks really good. And so I do like that a lot of brands are putting some of the lighter tones right up at the front to help with the lace front to be more invisible. The total weight of this Wavy Day is 4.3 ounces. This is from the Raquel Welch Signature Collection. Let's do a full turnaround so you guys can see her from all angles. Isn't she cute? I love it. Just love this wig. Okay, let's take this wig off so you guys can see the underside of the cap construction. Okay, I've worn this so much, and I actually wore it on a vacation. I didn't want it to go anywhere. I mean, it is a ready-to-wear wig, so you don't need to use adhesives. It should stay put. You have your adjusters at the nape. It's nice and tight, it's secure, but I did use some adhesives on this, and I have not washed it off yet, so do be mindful of that. Don't judge me. Anyway, you have your extended lace front. Just ignore that adhesive, please. And then you have your monofilament top, okay? Then you have open wefting, and what you have right here is the Memory Cap 3. This is constructed with resilient stretch lace coated with flexible silicone along the back and sides for a superbly comfortable and secure fit that maintains its shape over time and molds to the head. You have your velvet ear tabs and your velvet nape and the adjusters at the nape, so you can secure your wig, make it nice and snug, and just make it fit your head more true to size. Now here's that beautiful color up close and personal. So pretty. I'm gonna comb it out more. Monofilament top. Okay, let's put her back on. I need a second wavy day because she's gonna wear out quick with the way that I'm wearing her and how often I'm wearing her. It's just so comfortable, it's cute, it's a great length. You do have length, you can do things with it, you can pull it back, you can pull it up. So you have options to utilize the hair because of the length, but it's not so long that it's in the way, that it's getting a lot of friction frizz. So it's just all around, to me, like an ideal length. So you do have room to do things with it, but it's not in the way. The front of Wavy Day is 11.5 inches. The sides are 9.5 inches. Your back is also 11.5 inches. Your crown is 12.5 inches, and your nape is 7.5 inches. You guys can find Raquel Welch wigs and other Hair You Wear wigs at many brick and mortar locations and online locations. There are lots of really great, reputable retailers. I'm sure a lot of you guys have your favorites. I will have a store locator down below. I love Raquel Welch. I love their wigs. They are fantastic. Definitely one of my favorites. They're comfortable, they feel great, they're high quality, the styles are beautiful. I just have a lot of good things to say about these Raquel Welch wigs. I've always been happy with them. So anyway, Wavy Day, very impressed, very, very impressed with Wavy Day. It is a new one, like I mentioned. Sorry I didn't get it up sooner. You guys probably have seen that I've been wearing it nonstop since it came out, and it's because I love it. I think I've said that way too many times. Now you guys know that I love it. Oh geez, I'm just overdoing it over here. But thank you so much for watching. Thanks to Raquel Welch for creating such gorgeous pieces for us. And until next time, you guys, I'll see you later. Bye.